Hi, this is Mia from Faith and Finance, and I'm coming to you today again with some value. I think that once you see what I'm going to show you in this video about how much you need on a daily basis to run your household. Have you ever asked the question, not how much do you need monthly, but have you ever broken it down to how much you need daily? Now notice I say need, not want, because those are two different trains of thought. A need and a want, we can get by if our goal is to reduce our expenses and get our cash flow increased, then we have to break that thing down to what I need and what I want. So I want to briefly not take up too much of your time and just go over something so that I can show you case and point. So I have my board here and I've written out a few things for you to look at ahead of time because I'm trying to save you some time. So I'm going to bring the camera down a little bit and I'll be off of it, but you can see the board. So let's dive right in. Okay, so the question we're asking, how much do we need daily? So we're going to use really conservative numbers because everybody's scenario is different. West Coast, East Coast, cost of living is drastically different. So we're just going to do with some very conservative averages. Okay, so for rent or mortgage, let's say that it's $900 a month. That breaks down to $30 daily. I'm getting confused of which camera is which, but anyway, I'm talking to you. So rent or mortgage is $900, which breaks down to $30 daily. Then you go down to, if you have a car loan, we're going to use $330 for that, which breaks down to $11 daily. Then car insurance, you got to have car insurance, $210 a month, sounds reasonable, which that would break down to $7 daily. And then groceries, that varies, but let's take $300 and that's $10 a day. Utilities, for this example, we're going to put phone, electricity, and internet all into a bundle, and that $330 a month breaks down to $11 daily. Then I want you to see this, so I'm going to tilt the camera. Then you got daycare. If you have babies or children that require supervision during the day, if you are working, $360 is an estimate, but that breaks down to $12 a day. Then gas. This one is really variable because if you travel some distance, then that could be higher. And if you're in California, of course, it's higher. But $120 a month would break down to $4 a day. And then we're going to put some miscellaneous expenses, those things that are unpredictable, incidentals. Let's allow $300 for those, which is $10 a day. And one more utility, the water bill. The water bill, $60, which is $2 daily. So our average comes to $97 for daily, what it takes for you to live per day, $97. So the question I want to pose to you is, are you making that in passive income? What do I mean by passive or residual income? That means, is that income something that comes into your household without your labor? Ideally, you want to get to a point where you have money working or coming in without your labor, without you having to work for it. And that comes from acquiring assets. So are you making $97 to $100? Let's just average it to $100 a day without any effort. And that is the goal, to get to passive and residual income. And the platform that I can get you to will teach you how to do just that. We'll show you step by step how to get to a passive income. In other words, taking some cash, putting it into an asset, and allowing that asset to bring in that passive and residual income. And we've used a conservative example, a conservative numbers here. If yours is more, then you probably would want to be more aggressive and do something where you could get passive and residual income to support your lifestyle. And so if that's something that you're interested in, I have information, a link, and I can drive you right to there. Your thing now, if this makes any sense at all to you and it's delivered some value, something that you didn't think of before, then I need you to comment and I can send you the information on how to get started and to build your passive and residual income and increase your cash flow. So I believe that we take our faith and combine it with some action, because to not do that, to not use our faith and put action behind it, is dead. So faith without works is dead, right? So your faith and action will produce the results that will get you to being and remaining a winner. So let's talk. That's it. That's all I have for now. And until the next video, this is Mia signing out.